Welcome to My Dreams Academy, Dilsuknagar. Myself, I am Dr. T. Arun Reddy, NEET coordinator in Dilsuknagar, My Dreams Academy. In this video, we are going to explain about the strategic preparations for NEET 2022. So, we all know that NEET 2022 date was out. Exam is on July 17th. Exam is on July 17th. From April 12th, like applications will be started. First phase is we need to apply for the exam. The fees for the exam is like 1500 rupees for general category and OBC category. For SC/ST category it will be 800 for the application fees. First question, what are the courses that can be like joined with the help of NEET examination? MBBS, BDS, these are the main primary courses, but some colleges and some states are offering, like based on the NEET marks, BHMS, BAMS exam like courses are also entered to the NEET 2022 marks, MBBS and BDS. This is the primary goal, which is a 5.5 years courses. 5.5 year courses. Everybody have the, most of the students will dream to become a doctor. So to fulfill that dream, we need to attempt NEET UG 2022. So now exam is on July 17th. What we need to do? So many BPC students, especially inter-second year students, will have a negative thought. So what we can do in these 2 months or 3 months of span of time, we can go for long term. So this is the wrong myth. So why? Because we need to focus these 100 days very properly. Let me explain the pattern of the paper first of all. Totally, there will be 180 questions to be attempted. So in the last year, due to pandemic situation, they have given 50 questions each from the 4 subjects, 200, 5 questions is given as choice. So in general, 180 questions, which covers 45 questions plus 45 questions biology. In CBSE terms, biology. In our state terms, that includes again 2 subjects, botany and zoology. And physics, 45 questions, physics. And chemistry, 45 questions, chemistry, 45 questions. Now let's see how many marks we need to get. Our target should be minimum of target 560. Minimum target should be 560. So means how many questions we need to attempt? 140 questions. How many questions? 560. I am speaking 560 marks for a normal without any reservation to enter into topmost government medical colleges. 560 without any reservations means we need to attempt 140 questions properly out of 180 questions. So means still now you can observe one thing, we have 40 questions choice. We have how many questions choice? 40 questions. So in biology, your accuracy should be out of 90 questions, 85 plus questions should be accurate. Why? Because we know that biology is like oxygen, and in physics, so minimum of 25 questions. So in this 40 questions. So this is the strategy, like where we can go. So sir, in this 100 days, is it possible? In My Dreams Academy, we are offering 100 days coaching for special batches. So only we leave in this 100 days, 10 days for your intermediate public examinations. Rest of all the days, so we'll be focusing. Why? Because we are writing a negative marking examination. We need to focus on, in less time, we need to get more marks. What is the strategy? Less time, more marks. Means, so for example, in 100 days, we divide the topics. For example, most of the students face difficulty in physics and chemistry. Now let me start with each and every subject. Biology, totally there will be 32 lessons approximately. So for each chapter, if you consider 2 days also, 64 days along with the assignments preparation. Remaining 30 days will be for the grand test preparation among the 110 days preparation. So that each chapter you can go for the 2 days. 2 days for each chapter means if a student planned properly, like what happens, you can easily go through the target. What is the one more most negative drawback of the students is that student usually shows interest in biology, chemistry. Some students biology, physics. No, this is not at all a successful attempt. Each and every student now need to study 3 subjects in a day. Now in the similar way, 45 questions. I stressed you what the strategy is now. This is the Kota Rajasthan strategy. Everybody know. So dream coaching centers will be there. So 45 questions, like like 25 questions we need to attempt. For these 25 questions, I need to pick in total 25 chapters of physics, 12 chapters I need to pick first. How many chapters? 12 chapters. If you give 4 days for chapter also, it is enough. 4 days. You know how the strategy should be? One day will be teaching. On the same day, you need to read the formulas, complete mugging up of the formulas and applications. One day should be level 1 questions. One day should be level 2 questions. One day should be previous year's questions, so that no possible question will be escaping from the chapter. So in such way, if you prepare for 12 chapters also, 50 days means out of our 100 days preparation, what is our target now? 100 days preparation, right? Out of this 100 days preparation, 50 days, remaining 50 days again we can go for the grand test of physics. And chemistry, we know one thing, chemistry will be divided into 3 parts: physical chemistry, general plus inorganic, and organic chemistry. All the 3 areas contains equal weightage, 15, 15, 15. Again we need to schedule. Why? Because you know physics, chemistry books looks very dangerous according to equations, but when you prepare plannedly, chemistry is an easy subject. According to me, 45 out of 45 questions should be right from a chemistry paper. Not even a single question should be gone. Why? Because in chemistry, new questions will not be coming. More applications will not be present. All the things are pre-described only. So for that, we need to have a separate strategy. So in our My Dreams Academy, we staff support you for complete guidance of all the chapters perfectly. How it goes on is that daily it will be 2 hours class for each subject and 2 hours will be the study hour. Our classes starts at morning 8 o'clock here and it will continue up to evening 8 o'clock. So in a day completely we'll divide the schedule and we'll reach the target perfectly on the same day. Experienced staff, so under the doctor's guidance, so most experienced doctors, those who are training the students from last 10-15 years, they will be the mentors for you here. So and previous students will be interacting for you, and this 100 days. And as a COVID batch, this batch has a special advantage. There is less competition outside. Because why? Because first year all the students went through online classes, so you have a little bit less knowledge when compared to a normal regular batch. Kabatti this marks also may be reduced slightly. Along with that, every year if 20,000 students prepare very seriously for the exam, this year the strength may be only 15,000. Means approximately 5,000 students competition has been reduced this year. So the student who now approaches a perfect planning for the 100 days thing, so like we can give you 100% result. So all the best for your exams and choose the right step. These 110 days is very important in your life. So whether to settle in the what type of career. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, please do subscribe the channel.